This video is going to be how to fill out a 1099-S form. So from the dashboard, you're going to go to Forms. You're going to select the tax year. Then you're going to select the 1099-S, which is right here. Click it. And then on the left side, you'll see Select Payer. You'll click that drop-down menu and select the payer. Now, if you don't have a payer or you need a new payer, you can always click this Add Payer button. It will take you to the payer input screen. If you need to edit any information, you can always go to Edit Payer. Once that's completed, you can go down here to Select Recipient and select the recipient that goes with that payer that you need. If you don't have a payer, or if you don't have a recipient that you need, you can always click Add Recipient, or need to edit the recipient, you can click this button right here. Once you have the payer and the recipient filled in, you're going to choose to fill in all of this information that you need on the right side of the screen. And then once you get that completed with all of the necessary information, then you can click Save and Continue. That will end the form. Or you can click Save and Add New 1099-S to complete another one of those. And that's how you fill out a 1099-S form.